Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Written News. Following the gruesome crime of Arjikar Medical College, the Mamta government introduced the Aprajita Women and Child Bill in order to impose strict punishments to perpetrators. The Chief Minister aimed for accolades when the West Bengal government introduced the bill, but instead it has resulted in rebuke and condemnation. Chief Minister Banerjee did not send the bill to Governor C.V. Anand Bose to get approval from the President. The Constitution clearly states that when a bill has been passed by the Legislative Assembly of a state, or in case of a state having a Legislative Council, has been passed by both houses of the legislature of the state, it shall be presented to the Governor, and the Governor shall declare either that he assents to the bill or that he withholds assent therefrom or that he reserves the bill for the consideration of the President. The biggest question arising from this is, Mamata Banerjee has been the Chief Minister of West Bengal for 13 years. Yet, how does she not know that until a bill is sent to the Governor, it cannot become a law? For those unversed, any amendments made the state then impose penalties different from those outlined in the new Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, and Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita must receive presidential approval as stipulated by Article 254, Section 2 of the Constitution. This provision allows state legislatures to pass laws conflicting with central legislation on concurrent matters as long as the President approves. Once approved, the state law takes precedence within that state. However, the Constitution imposes no time limit or obligation for the President to grant assent. In the meantime, Governor Anand Bose has commented that Aprajita bill is pending due to the Mamata government's negligence, as they have not sent the technical report along with the bill. Without this, the bill cannot be approved. The governor also criticized the state government for not doing its homework on such important matters. He further said the Aprajita bill is a copy of similar ones from Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Arunachal Pradesh, all still pending with the President. Mamata is deceiving the public with protests as necessary technical report hasn't been sent, making approval impossible. This is not the first time this has happened. Previously, the Mamata government has failed to send technical reports for several bills passed in the assembly which have subsequently remained pending. Later, the Mamata government blamed the Raj Bhavan for delay. Governor Bose has already withheld 9 bills before this, including Aprajita Women and Child Bill 2024, University Laws Amendment Bill 2022, Animal and Fishery Sciences University Amendment Bill 2022, Private University Laws Amendment Bill 2022, Agricultural University Law Second Amendment Bill 2022, Health Science University Amendment Bill 2022, Alia University Amendment Bill 2022, City and Country Planning and Development Amendment Bill 2022, University Laws Amendment Bill 2023. All of these bills have been held up due to the negligence of the Mamata government. This makes it clear that Mamata is only pretending to act. She has failed to provide safety for women and ensure impartial investigation and action against crimes. And now she's trying to mislead the public by bringing in revised laws.